Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of biology. And today we're rounding up our discussion on the kingdom fungi by looking at the uses of what? Of fungi. Okay, so we're going to see a question right now to tell you that this video is also very important. All right, so that's what also microorganisms, they have what useful effects and also have what harmful what effects. Okay, this is a question from the O3 School JAMB app. Remember, the O3 School JAMB app is all that you need to succeed in your exam. Okay, it's a CBT practice app. The more reason why you need to get it on your phone right now as we are speaking. Okay, so it's a CBT practice app. It has all the past questions for JAMB for all subjects inside one application. Okay, it also has some wonderful feature designed to make you succeed in your exam, like the classroom feature where you can study lecture notes and take tests after studying each lecture note following the JAMB syllabus. Wonderful. You cannot underestimate the usefulness of syllabus, so you need that classroom feature. Okay, another wonderful aspect is the question search feature where you can search for question using topic. Okay, so you are studying a particular topic. Let me see how JAMB set question under this topic. You go there, you search for what for questions under that topic, and those questions will come up for you. You answer them. Once you answer them, you get more confidence. You will get more understanding from what? From reading. All right. So likewise, we also have the UTME challenge. It's a challenge that will conduct for all students that are writing JAMB for this year. You compete with your mates, you win prizes every week till 1 week to the main JAMB exam. Also, you get used to how JAMB set their question. Also, you are seeing your result every week, so you are able to track your progress, and likewise, you are gaining confidence towards the main exam. You do not want to play with all these features. All of these and more for just 3,000 naira as at the time of shooting this video. It will definitely increase later on, so you do not want to focus on it. So all you need to do right now is to focus on passing your exam at once. Okay, pass your JAMB exam at once. Trust me, if you ask those who have written JAMB 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, it's not to scare you. Okay, it is not a pleasant feeling at all. Okay, you have to make a decision to want to pass your exam once and for all. All right, so please put your bonbon in one place, pin it in one place, and start studying today. Okay, so to activate the app after you have downloaded, just click on activate. After clicking on activate, at the top you see where they wrote buy activation key. So click on buy activation key and you'll see 3 options for payment. You can transfer to the O3 Schools app account, or you can pay with your ATM card online. Once you pay with your ATM card online, it's automatic. But if you are transferring to the O3 School app account, you will need to send the receipt of the payment. The receipt, if you go to the POS and pay that money, they will give you a printout. Snap that printout, or if you are using your bank to make the transfer, screenshot the payment proof and send it to this number on WhatsApp. 09121515246. Okay, once you send the receipt to this number on WhatsApp and we acknowledge it, we will activate your app for you manually immediately. All right, so you do not have anything to worry about. This can never be scammed. Nobody will want to scam you, this kind of thing. All right, so please put your head together and do this and start studying for your exam immediately. They say now the question says 2023 model 3 number 31 question. 2023 question number 31. They said, which of the following statements about microorganisms is true? Which of the following statements about microorganisms is true? A, all microorganisms are harmful to humans. Okay, I'm trying to bring a point out. They say B, microorganisms are only found in soil and water. Then C, they say microorganisms can both be beneficial and harmful to humans. They say D, microorganisms are not important for ecological balance. And of course, the correct answer here is microorganisms can be both beneficial and harmful to humans. Microorganisms can both be beneficial and harmful to humans. That's from the O3 School JAMB app using the question search feature. Alright, please download your app and start practicing today. Do not forget to also like this video. Liking this video will make your mate gets to see this video easily. You don't want them to pass, just click on that like button, finish, nothing. Then you can subscribe to this channel. Subscription will send you notification whenever we release a new video. So don't click on that red subscribe button. Bam, that is all. Subscription is free, you don't need to pay. And make sure you are sharing this video. Don't be stingy, don't be wicked. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. All right, so now uses of fungi. Fungi are one of the most important groups of organisms on the planet, as they play a vital role in the biosphere and have great economic importance. They have great economic importance on account of both their benefits. They have benefits, usefulness, and also have harmful effects. Okay, so fungi are one of the most important groups of organisms in the what in the planet and have great economic importance on account of both their benefits and harmful what effects. So they can be beneficial to man, they can be beneficial to what to other what animals, they can be beneficial to plants, they can be beneficial to, but they can also have harmful what effects, as we're going to see soon. So the following are some of the important uses of what fungi. For one, recycling. They play a major role in recycling the dead and decayed matter. Okay, so they play a major role in what in breaking down what complex organic matter, all right, into what simpler what substances, and these substances are now what taken up what by the plants, okay, and they can what grow properly, all right. So they play an important role in what in recycling of the dead and what decayed matter. So this dead and decayed matter could be for what, for both plants and what and animals. Okay, so they play an important role in what in recycling the dead and decayed organic what matter. All right, so now also have food. The mushroom species which are cultured are edible and are used as food by humans. You don't eat mushrooms. Some people here that are watching the video have eaten mushroom before, or bet even though you're not eating it, you must have heard that people eat mushrooms. So mushrooms are edible. Like of course, like the agaricus. The agaricus is the most agaricus. All right, is the most. It's a genus of mushroom. It is the most in fact, the most popular edible mushroom in the whole world. Agaricus is the most popular edible mushroom in the whole world. It has high nutritional content. It has high medicinal capabilities. It even has distinctive flavor. Oh, you will love it. Okay, so the agaricus is a species. It's a genus of mushroom. Okay, it is the most widely eaten mushroom in the whole wide world. Okay, so please, they can be used as food. The mushroom species which are cultured, all right, are edible and are used as food by what? By humans. Okay, so now 3, medicine. Okay, this one is a very, very vital one, very, very important one. Okay, so there are many fungi that are used to produce antibiotics, okay, and to control diseases in humans and animals. Okay, so penicillin antibiotic is derived from a common fungus called what? Penicillium. Okay, a fungus called what? Penicillium. What is where what we get what penicillin now, the common drug penicillin. Okay, so it's where we get to penicillin from. All right, there's some other wonderful what even edible what mushrooms that are medicinal. Okay, like in China, they make use of the Ganoderma lucidum. Okay, Ganoderma lucidum. Let me write it somewhere here so that you see it properly. Ganoderma lucidum. Ganoderma lucidum. Okay, it is very, 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 very helpful. It's an important what mushroom. It's a medicinal what mushroom in the Chinese use what to treat different type of diseases. Okay, there's to treat different type of diseases and even used as a therapy for what? For cancer patients. Cancer used for what? For treating what? Cancer patients also. Okay, so please, mushrooms, they are very, very what? Medicinal. They can serve as food and they can serve as what? Can be for medicine. Also, there are some that have what? Anti-inflammatory and immune enhancing effects. There are some mushrooms that have anti-inflammatory and immune enhancing effects. Examples of those mushrooms, where should I put them now? Example of those mushrooms that have anti-inflammatory and high immune effects are what? High immune enhancing effect are what? To have what? The maitake. Okay, we have the shiitake. Okay, we have the reishi. Okay, we also have what? The turkey tail. These mushrooms, they are what? They are anti-inflammatory. They help to remove what? Inflammations, okay, from the body, and also what? They have what? High what? Immune enhancing what? Effects. Okay, they help to what? Enhance what? Your immune. They are medicinal. Okay, so the usefulness of fungi, all right, in the medicine what spare is not what small. There's so many other what usefulness. Okay, so please just know that what fungi what they are what useful as what? As medicine. Then also we have a biocontrol agents. Okay, like here I also said what that are used to produce antibiotics and to control diseases in humans and animals, which I've seen examples. Now we have biocontrol agents. Fungi are involved in exploiting insects and other small worms and help in controlling pests. In our previous one of our episode, I talked about what? Zombie zombie ant fungus. Okay, this zombie ant fungus, what it does is what? Is to make insect like ant and spider behave like zombie. They now become very useless. Okay, it makes them very, very useless. So that is a way of controlling what pests. That's a way of controlling what pests. So fungi are involved in exploiting insects, other small ones, and helping controlling pests. Spores of fungi are used as spray as crops. Okay, the spores of fungi are used as spray on crops. All right, so also have food spillage. They play a major role in recycling organic material, which you have seen. All right, they play a major role in recycling organic material, and are also responsible for major spoilage and losses and stored of spoilage and losses of of stored food. Where you store food, you see that fungi will go and destroy them. Okay, so but they also help in recycling. Okay, helping the plants. Okay, to get nutrients. All right, so please. Fungi are very, very useful. They are very, very, very useful. They have harmful effects also, but they are very beneficial. Okay, so these are the uses of fungi, and with this we are done with the kingdom fungi. All right, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and make sure we keep sharing these videos. And in the next class, we'll go to the next kingdom of classification. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you there.